But with Maharashtra accounting for 15% of the country's GDP, corporate honchos are hopeful of a stable government that will implement key reforms to kickstart growth. ET Now spoke with some prominent names as they cast their vote.
We want growth, we want stability, and definitely, there is so much of expectations. Especially, I was in IMF meeting just the whole of last week. So, where India is concerned, the entire world seems to appear to think that we are on the cusp of real good growth. So, I hope we'll be able to meet up with those expectations.
I think we all need a progressive, growth-oriented सरकार की ज़रूरत है, and I'm hopeful कि वो मिल सकेगी.
Mumbai has been neglected for a long time. The infrastructure is crumbling or has crumbled. Transport, housing, increase in slums, governance is the biggest issue here. Approval processes take years and years, and we need to change this. We need faster construction. We need faster construction of roads. Slum rehabilitation program should be approved faster. Transport system should improve fast. I think we have been very slow the last few years. The government got bogged down in giving approvals with environment approvals and lots of scandals regarding others and others. So the government was in slow motion.
Infrastructure, definitely, and also safety of late. Then overall awareness among people about the opportunity that we have and how we have to collectively come together in order to address that. All this, I think it's a holistic thing. It's not only about investment, it's also about people development. It's also about creating an awareness on what the opportunities that is in front of them. So I think it's a holistic movement that has to be created.
Of late, started by Narendra Modi in the past, every state is trying to become an investment destination, has been trying to woo the investors. In Maharashtra, do you think we are lacking in some way?
I think it's a good thing. First of all, every state is trying to do investments, a good thing, and investments has to happen across the country. And I think Maharashtra is doing well, but it can do better, definitely.
I think with the central government in place with the absolute majority, decision making will be faster and swifter for sure, and very directed towards benefits to the citizens at large. The second part of the thing where states have to get the action on the ground very quickly, hopefully with a majority, so that the accountability becomes a lot more clearer. Accountability where impact on the ground for the citizens has to be measured and it has to be continuously improved. Otherwise, citizens should exercise their choices as and when it happens.
Well, every time you vote for progress and development of the state, and it's equal progress across the state, and I think Maharashtra is the #1 state, and hope that it will continue to be far ahead of the others.
We're looking for a party that can synchronize well with the central government, and we're looking for a party that can be business friendly, that can pass projects rapidly, and that the ease of doing business can improve. Because if business improves, industry improves, then people's lives will improve, employment will grow, and I think Maharashtra can do exceedingly well.
I think there will be higher voting this time, and I think more people will come to vote. That's what I feel, And talking even to the people, who are working in houses or drivers and other people, they're all excited about voting.
After 25 years, you're seeing a five-way fight in Maharashtra. Do you see a single party being able to form a government?
Looks like. I think the city of Mumbai needs a lot of development. The traffic is increasing, other basic facilities.
मैं विश्वास करता हूँ पूरा कि जो हमने पिछले 15 साल में जो हमने काम किया है, राज्य में एक शांति और सुरक्षा की परिस्थिति बरकरार रखी है, जिस तरह से नैसर्गिक आपदा को हमने सामना किया है, जिस तरह से औद्योगिकरण आगे बढ़ रहा है, उसके सबके चलते महाराष्ट्र की जनता कांग्रेस को ही।
अब लोगों के मन में एक होप है, अपेक्षा है कि बीजेपी के नेतृत्व में, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में महाराष्ट्र में जो बीजेपी की सरकार आएगी वो महाराष्ट्र को आगे लेकर जाएगी और 6वें नंबर से पहले नंबर पर पहुंचेगी, ये विश्वास है।
BJP had their own agenda, which was in some ways very different to us. So now that we are fighting alone, I believe we have an opportunity to actually provide better government, more stable government, and do the right things that he did in the last 3 years.
Well, shifting away from the elections, while our markets are shut off for the state elections, but some global market action. Asian markets have been trading